Hello and welcome to this session. Learning Outcome 1. Understand the purpose of computer systems. Today, we'll explore what makes up a computer system and why it matters. From personal computers to smartphones, computer systems play a vital role in our daily lives. You'll learn about their key components and the environments in which they operate. Computer systems come in various forms. Personal computers and laptops serve individual needs. Smartphones and tablets offer portability and convenience. Mainframe and supercomputers handle complex tasks for large organizations. Each type has unique capabilities suited to different purposes. Personal computers are designed for single users. They are low capacity but versatile. Apple Macintosh is a well-known example. Laptops provide mobility. Tablets and smartphones are compact and powerful. In enterprises, computers are essential. They enable businesses to create ads and connect online. Computers facilitate marketing and operations. They are tools for education and training. Employees access information globally. Computers revolutionize education. They provide access to vast resources. Businesses use them for employee training. Learning is flexible with webinars and Quandday sessions. The internet offers endless educational content. At home, computers serve multiple roles. They are tools for work and leisure. Software like Microsoft Word simplifies document creation. The internet connects users to global resources. Home offices are becoming more common. Computers have transformed entertainment. Initially used for data storage, they now offer much more. The internet and faster processors enable file sharing. Entertainment options are vast and varied. Computers are central to the entertainment industry. Computer systems adapt to different environments. In manufacturing, they streamline production. Offices rely on them for efficiency. In education, they enhance learning. Medical fields use them for critical tasks. The Internet of Things expands computer capabilities. Devices connect and communicate seamlessly. They enhance homes and workplaces. IoT devices are integral to smart environments. They represent the future of technology. Understanding computer systems requires knowing key terms. Hardware refers to physical components. Software includes programs that run on computers. Both work together to form a system. This synergy powers modern technology. Mainframe computers are powerful and costly. They support numerous users simultaneously. Supercomputers perform trillions of calculations per second. Both are vital for large organizations. They handle complex data processing tasks. Workstation computers are high-end and expensive. They cater to complex work needs. Designed for professionals, they handle demanding tasks. These computers are critical in fields like engineering. Their performance is unmatched. For personal use, computers offer flexibility. They support both work and play. Users can create documents and access information. The internet enhances connectivity. Personal devices are integral to daily life. Questions about computer systems are common. Resources like ebooks provide valuable insights. Queries can be directed to specific emails. Assignments are submitted online. Learning is continuous with available materials. References are crucial for deeper understanding. Books like The Elements of Computing Systems are essential. They provide foundational knowledge. Other resources offer programmer perspectives. These texts enhance learning. Reviewing this unit, refer to online resources. Ebooks and journals offer detailed information. For queries, use the provided email. Assignments are due 2 weeks post-unit completion. Stay engaged with the material. Computer systems are diverse, essential, and constantly evolving. They adapt to different environments, industries, and user needs. from personal devices to large-scale enterprise solutions. Their impact on modern life and business is undeniable and continues to grow. For further questions, please contact us on WhatsApp at 0748 4361 688. Thank you for listening. We'll see you at the next session.